The Dog and His Master's Dinner by Fontaine. Our eyes are not made proof against the fair, nor hands against the touch of gold. Fidelity is sadly rare, and has been from the days of old. Well taught his appetite to check, and do full many a handy trick. A dog was strutting light and quick, his master's dinner on his neck. A temperate, self-denying dog was he, more than with such a load he liked to be. But still he was, while many such as we would not have scrupled to make free. Strange that dogs of virtue you may teach, which do your best to men you vainly preach. This dog of ours, thus richly fitted out, a mastiff met, who'd wish to meet, no doubt. To get it was less easy than he thought. The porter laid it down and fought. Meantime some other dogs arrive. Such dogs are always thick enough, and fearing neither kick nor cuff, upon the public thrive. Our hero, thus overmatched and pressed, the meat in danger manifest, is fain to share it with the rest, and looking very calm and wise, "No anger, gentlemen," he cries, "my morsel will myself suffice, the rest shall be your welcome prize." With this the first is charged to violate, he snaps a mouthful from his freight, then follow mastiff, cur and pup, till all is cleanly eaten up. Not sparingly the party feasted, and not a dog of all but tasted. In some such manner men abuse of towns and states the revenues. The sheriffs, aldermen and mayor come in for each a liberal share.